Hello, everybody. This is Tannia Martinez live from Miami, Florida. It's been a couple weeks since my last live, and a lot of things have happened since then. I've been extremely busy, but a good busy, helping other people's earned financial freedom through the platform that I've been promoting. But also I'm doing the live because I recently accepted a couple of new friends around the world. And if you haven't had a chance to see my live videos on my profiles, let me tell you a little bit about me. I love gardening. I'm a mom of two girls. I'm happily married. I'm a teacher, music teacher, and I also invest in different businesses, but most important the forex trading, which is generating me passive income. And I do that on autopilot, completely autopilot. I don't have to lift a finger to earn money for that. I am showing you what I did with the gardening. 2 days ago I transplanted some orchids in my avocado tree. I'm right now under my avocado tree. I am into organic food and healthy food and exercises too. So that's a little bit about me, because I've been accepting new friends who are trying to follow me, my dreams and information. And I also share a lot of good information on personal development and how to multiply your money. So listen, one of the things that I've been sharing, it's a live raffle of free Bitcoin. And for some of you who do not know what Bitcoin is, let me remind you, is money. It's digital currency that is decentralized. No banks are involved. Only the platform who transfer money from one user to the other, and you get your money instantly, and it's all digital. So this program that I am a member of, CFX, they're doing a daily free Bitcoin of $300 US, like a US, but in Bitcoin. And it gives you the chance to invest that money if you choose to, right? Which will be the smart thing to do, to reinvest it on the trading of currency exchange, and the brokers do the work for you. You don't have to do anything else, but that money also entitles you for knowledge on the forex trading with a Prime Academy. Anyway, so the free Bitcoin is on a daily basis. After the end of this live video, I am going to share with you the link where you would like to join and see what is it about. They explain the company vision, the true values, how you can multiply that little amount of money and make it in a couple of months to a year, acquire financial freedom. And it's so easy to do. It's changing lives around the world, from people who are poor, don't have anything. They make a huge sacrifice to invest a small amount of money and quadruple it. Are you kidding me? It sounds like fake, but it's the truth. And this is something that I wanted to share with you and leave you with this. When you see the true value of something, decisions are made clear and easy. There's so many shining objects in the internet platform, on the cyberspace, but you want to be part of something that is legit, solid, and full transparent. You want to see who is behind it, what kind of guarantees they do, what they offer. If you know all those things, you wanna look into, study it, and then take a leap of faith and a sacrifice and just join and do it. Think of it as your plan B option of income. Now more than ever, you need to have a plan B and be proactive, because dreams do come true, but it's up to you to make it happen. Just think about this. When you see the true value of something, decisions are easier to make. And that's that. I'm going to share with you the link for the raffle will be tomorrow. I believe 8, 9 Africa time. I'll share it again. And I wish you much success. And I hope you can join my winning team. And ask yourself, what is your why? Why are you doing this? Why do you want to succeed? Is your why bigger than you? Then you need to take action. I'll see you soon. Bye.